My skin is not looking its best this week, but that doesn't mean that I want to wear a really heavy foundation to cover up my blemishes and my scars, especially during this time where I do have blemishes or breakouts. That is the time where I want to wear the least amount of makeup because I don't want my skin to look overloaded. I don't want there to be little patches of concealer and foundation everywhere where I need to cover. So I'm going to show you how to cover your blemishes and your spots using the least amount of makeup and to look the most natural and the most fresh. Let's do it together. Today I'm using the new skin tint from True Botanicals. This is the Everyday Skin Tint SPF 30. I have two shades here, shade 4 and shade 5. I have them right here on the back of my hand. And I actually love them both, so I'll probably use a little mixture of both, but I just want to show you kind of how to get the most natural finish when you need to cover something. They also have the Everyday Flawless brush, which is super luxurious, really, really beautiful bristles and handle. Very, very nice to hold. Now it looks like what you actually do is you apply the skin tint inside of the brush because it has this little dip in it, and then you can apply. I'm sure it gives you a very even finish that way. Since I already have it on the back of my hand, first I'm just going to take it like this, and I'm going to apply that way. And let's start from the center of the face and just work our way out. First swipe, the texture is beautiful. I think that it gives the skin actually great coverage, but you can see I still have a spot here, so that kind of gives you a gauge to see how much coverage you're going to get, which is the amount that a skin tint should give you, which is minimal. Now I'm going to try it like it's probably supposed to be used. Going to apply some skin tint into the brush, and this side has the most blemishes and redness, so I'm going to see what it can do. It's very comfortable, gives you a beautiful application. It doesn't tug or pull on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy at all. This is the coverage that you should expect when using a skin tint. You can still see blemishes and scars through it, but it gives your skin an overall wash of color that's going to even out your skin tone, give you broad spectrum protection, and it just leaves your skin looking really nice, healthy, and glowy. This is a great base if you're trying to cover up blemishes because this way we can go straight in with our concealer and give it that extra coverage that it needs. But since I do have some of the number 5 on the back of my hand, I want to kind of use it as a bronzer almost. I just want to add some color. True Botanicals does say that the skin tint is buildable. I think that's great because most skin tints are not. You just get initial sheer coverage and that's about it. Blending out what's on my cheeks, a slight contour. It's very beautiful. And adding some again here on this side. That really is so beautiful. That is a very nice skin finish. And the way that it lays on your skin, you can almost see like your skin looks very dewy and hydrated. Now taking our concealer, just going to place it where I normally would, over any blemishes, and just on the darkest part of my face. I'm going to pat over any blemish or scar to make sure I really get that coverage onto those areas that I need it the most. Let me add some blush and we'll finish the look. This is the finished look. 1 or 2 blemishes does not define your skin. Wearing that little bit less of makeup when you do have a few breakouts shows the true integrity of your skin. It lets your skin glow and breathe and look beautifully natural. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.